In the song Paglara, the chorus depicts an ode to friendship. It says, "Kani-kani, kanina sangkay nga makig-angay, permitahang kapiin nga kalipay. Hinigugma ang sangkay, ang makig-angay karikuhan nga di igsa sa likuan. Aton iniubos igka kalipay." Hypothetically speaking, would you accept your friend's invitation to an event like this, even if it goes against your political and social views? Why or why not? Your 60 seconds starts now.
I believe definitely yes, because I believe that friendship is important, and I'm here to support that friend if ever she's here. I know that my heart, that friendship is more important. We need to be unified and united as one. We need to accept our differences, because I know we have different political point of views, and I believe that the purpose of this event is to celebrate our culture, which is the pattern of our identity, and it's the testament of our existence. So I stand here with pride. So let's wave a better and brighter future for us and Eastern Samar. Thank you.
It was still a good catch. That was a good answer. Thank you very much. Candidate number 2, Miss Fiona.